Hello, good afternoon. My name is Ángela Garcia. Today I'm going to talk about CAE English exam, that is Cambridge Advanced English. Okay, to start, the first question is, what is the purpose of the exam? If you can communicate with confidence in English for job or study purposes, in this you can the opportunity to improve your different skills through the exam. The next one is, what kind of people can take this exam? CAE is taken by more than 60,000 people each year in more than 60 countries. This exam is one of the Cambridge exam. What is the main goal of the exam? The goal is to specify the English level of the people taken. It can help you with entry to some university or travel to another countries. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? The first one, it has 5 communicative skills to evaluate, like reading, listening, writing, speaking, and use of English. The next one, it has some section of grades like A, B, C, according with B2 and C1 level. The next one is, what skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? The first one is, this exam is composed of 5 skills to evaluate, like a reading part, listening part, speaking part, and reading and use of English. The reading part is about 2 parts. The time is 1 hour and 30 minutes. The next one is the listening part. For it composed 4 parts, and the time is 30 minutes, like 20%. And this listening part is about monologues, announcements, interviews, speeches, lectures, talks, and discussions. The other part is a speaking part. This is about 4 parts, like 5 minutes, and 20%, like an interview, long term, collaborative tasks, and discussion. And finally, part is reading and use of English, that is composed of 2 parts, and the time is 9 minutes. The next one is, what skills you use to get the results? When you do test, your score is A, B, or C, you pass the exam. But if you get D, E, or U, you fail the exam. You'll receive a statement of result if your performance range between CEFR levels B2 and C2. You will also receive a certificate, but the grades and that grade A and grade B and grade C. Only grade A is with C2 level, and grade B and grade C is only C1 level. If you don't pass but still do reasonable, well, you are issued a B2 certificate. The next one is, will you take that exam in the future? Why? Yes, of course, because if I get this level or certificate, I can the opportunity to travel and get better job, because in this time it's very important that you talk in English, because with this skill you have the opportunity to open different doors in your professional life. Okay, thanks for your attention.